Discover the incredible weight loss benefits of asparagus, how to best prepare it and how much you should eat to get maximum benefit from asparagus, one of nature's amazing fat-burning foods. Asparagus is a plant that is originally from Eurasia, but has been looked at as a rare treat since the time of the Roman Empire. It is a vegetable with a green color, a spear, and a head with green buds. You can eat every part of the asparagus spear. Asparagus may be bought all year long and is available in 3 different varieties: green, most popular, white and purple. Are you aware of the fact that white asparagus grows without the necessity for sunlight? It is almost impossible to find the purple variety in the United States. It is not available in US supermarkets, but is available in Europe. Asparagus is cultivated in California and Washington, 2 states in the US, and is also cultivated in Mexico and Chile. These 2 latter countries export produce to the US, which ensures that the vegetable is available most of the time. Fat-burning benefits of asparagus. Asparagus is an excellent food source of folate, vitamin C and potassium. The functions of folate are to support amino acid metabolism, the synthesis of DNA, the production and the repair of white and red blood cells. Research indicates that folic acid can reduce the risk of contracting coronary heart disease. Vitamin C is helpful in getting rid of your body's infections, and stimulates your metabolism, which enables you to burn more fat. Potassium is helpful in regulating blood pressure levels and is helpful in maintaining the correct fluid balance in your body. The vegetable only has a few calories, contains 0 fat and cholesterol, and the sodium content is very minute. It is likewise found to have abundant amounts of rutin, a substance that is responsible for strengthening the capillary walls in the body. Plus, asparagus is an important food source of vitamins B6 and thiamine. Researchers think it stimulates the immune system and is helpful in lowering cholesterol levels in the body. Furthermore, it contains a good amount of vitamin E. Asparagus has inulin, a carbohydrate that is not digested by the body, but rather is used by the body to feed healthy bacteria found in the intestine. This maintains your intestinal tract and keeps it free from unhealthy bacteria. Asparagus root has compounds called steroidal glycosides which might be capable of helping your body fight inflammatory conditions. Chinese herbalists recommend asparagus root in their remedies for treating arthritis. Asparagus has fructooligosaccharides, FOS, a natural diuretic that is a determining factor when trying to burn body fat. These help beneficial bacteria to colonize your colon. Asparagine is an alkaloid substance found in asparagus that helps to stimulate the kidneys as it is improving the circulation. The alkaloid helps to loosen fat from the cells, due to its ability to break down oxalic acid. When the acid breaks down, the fat is disentangled from the cells. 1/2 cup of cooked asparagus has approximately 25% of the daily requirement for folic acid, and more than 80% of the daily requirement for vitamin C. Additionally, asparagus has healthy phytochemicals, which are a natural plant source that helps protect the general good health of the body. Preparing asparagus. Asparagus is a great food to incorporate into any dish. It tastes scrumptious whether you eat it as vegetable accompaniment to a dish or whether you eat it by itself. Add a few spears of asparagus to a dinner salad you love to eat. It tastes delicious with tuna fish, chicken or a plain, green leafy salad. If you want to eat something delicious, try dipping either hot or cold asparagus spears into one of your favorite low-fat salad dressings. Eat asparagus as an hors d'oeuvre or an appetizer. You should pick out sturdy, dark green stalks when you purchase asparagus. Are you aware of the fact that the age can be determined by measuring the thickness of the spear? Younger asparagus plants have extremely thin spears, and older plants have thicker spears. Be certain that you pick out asparagus with straight stalks and tips that are not open. They are not fresh if the stems are hard and do not have a bright green color. Shun these. Additionally, try to find stalks whose cut is moist, instead of dry stalks. You should make sure you pick asparagus that are the same basic size, in both length and width, to make sure they cook correctly. It is not a good idea to wash asparagus ahead of time, instead, wait until you are going to eat it. When it is time to wash it, do not immerse it in water. To properly store asparagus, keep in the refrigerator for no longer than 2 days with the ends cut, and stand them up in a container of water. If you peel the lower part of the stalks, you will not risk eating the woody parts. This is particularly the case when there are wider stalks. Amount to eat. A 1 cup serving of asparagus is a mere 90 grams. This equals approximately 6 asparagus spears. This is a good amount to serve on a daily basis. Make sure that you eat plenty of veggies of all kinds every week. Eat a variety, and be sure to include half a cup or a cup of asparagus weekly.